The Research Achievement Award recognizes a lifetime of distinguished scientific achievement in cardiovascular research and/or teaching. It is my pleasure to recognize Dr. Roberto Bolli. He is Professor of Medicine, Physiology, and Biophysics, Chief and Division of Cardiovascular Medicine, Director at the Institute of Molecular Cardiology at the University of Louisville. Over the past 40 years, Dr. Bolli has made extraordinary contributions to cardiovascular research, gaining recognition as a world leader in the field. He has advanced our understanding of molecular mechanisms responsible for myocardial injury during ischemia and reperfusion, opening the way for the development of novel cardioprotective strategies in patients with ischemic heart disease. And he pioneered the use of cardiac stem cells to repair cardiac muscle damage during a heart attack. Dr. Bolli's work has significantly shaped our knowledge of how ischemic injury occurs during the heart's adaptation to stress. He conducted a series of experiments that validated the concept that stunning is a result of oxygen-free radical-mediated reperfusion injury. A once shaky hypothesis that the myocardium might be able to recover from ischemic injury and therefore be subject to treatment is now an accepted axiom of cardiovascular medicine. Dr. Bolli's approach is innovative, mechanistic, thorough, and hypothesis-driven, integrating molecular and cellular biology with classic animal physiology to arrive at conclusions. He translates his elemental findings into a clinical setting, as he is doing in the groundbreaking Scipio trial, which could revolutionize cardiology and dramatically change the way patients with heart failure are treated. It is now my distinct honor to introduce the 2013 recipient of the Research Achievement Award, Dr. Roberto Bolli.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jessup. It is an extraordinary honor to receive the Research Achievement Award. This award belongs not to me, but to many people that have made it possible. First, my research was made possible by my parents, who gave me the principles that I have followed in my life, and by countless individuals who have helped me throughout my career. In particular, I wish to thank my colleagues in the Institute of Molecular Cardiology in Louisville, who have helped me immensely for the past 2 decades. I also wish to thank the granting agencies, particularly the NIH, for supporting my research for 3 decades. And of course, I have been inspired by my family every day for many years. I am also profoundly grateful to the American Heart Association, which has been an incredible partner and supporter for more than 30 years, since the early 1980s. The role of the HA in my professional activities cannot be overstated. My very first grant, the one that enabled me to start my career, was from the Texas affiliate of the HA. Simply put, my work and my career would not have happened without the support of the HA. And finally, I wish to thank America for giving me the opportunity to pursue my dream of research. Looking back at the beginning, what an incredible adventure it has been. I arrived in America in 1978. I was making $9,000 a year as an NIH Fogarty Fellow. I rented this efficiency, the one encircled in yellow, where I had one room that was my study, my living room, my dining room, and my bedroom. That was my only window. That's where I started. I spoke little English, and I did not know anybody. I had no money, no acquaintances, no relatives, and no support from anyone. But I had tons of enthusiasm and a big dream in my heart. It was America that enabled me to fulfill that dream. It was the American system that enabled me to do what I have done. And as I told my children many times, I am not alone. This country has enabled me and millions of immigrants like me to fulfill our dreams, to achieve our full potential, and to realize what would have been unthinkable anywhere else in the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bolli.